Have you ever noticed that two people can tell the same story with completely different outcomes? In one, you're emotionally captivated and engaged, and someone else tells you a story about the exact same experience and you fall asleep. What's the difference? What makes some people better at storytelling than others? The first key to telling captivating stories is oversimplification. When you're telling stories, you need to speak at about a third grade level. Many of you will struggle with this because you like to use big words and show off your vocabulary and try to sound sophisticated and smart. There may be a time and a place for that, but it's not when you're telling stories. People are used to digesting information at about a third grade level. When you go above that, you start to lose people quickly. There's a reason that news stations speak to their audiences at this level. During the 2016 primary elections, a study looked at the speeches of the Republican candidates and ran them through the Flesch-Kincaid test that shows the grade level of their speeches. Trump averaged a third to a fourth grade level on each of his speeches, where the other candidates like Ted Cruz had a ninth grade level, and both Ben Carson and Mike Huckabee were at eighth grade levels. Using big words may make you feel smarter, but will not influence others.
Do you want to know what 185,123 people already know? That's how many people have gotten a new copy of my brand new book called Expert Secrets. And this book has helped them to find their message, to build a tribe, and to change the world. Now, if you want, you can go to Amazon.com and go pay full price for a copy of this book right now. Or because you're here right now, we set up a very special deal where you can literally cover a few bucks shipping and handling, and we'll send you this book for free. There's a link down below. Click on that link. We'll take you to the special page where you can get this huge discount on my brand new Expert Secrets book. Now, this book's going to help you to take any talent, idea, expertise that you have and turn that into a business where you can help other people, which is the best type of business in the world. So to get your free copy, click on the link down below right now. You're gonna cover the shipping and handling. We'll ship you out a copy. I cannot wait for you to get this copy of the Expert Secrets book in your hand because I know that your message matters and that you can change the world. So click on the link down below and we'll send you your copy of the book right away.